Welcome to this all. Here we will discuss about the basic terminologies of an vibration. We know that vibration it is a moving of the particular body about an equilibrium point, and something it will be vibrate, it may be shake at the time, and if it vibrates in a regular way it may produce a musical because it can be make the air vibrate. This vibration will send sound waves to the air and to the brain. This is the explanation diagram of a vibration with spring mass system. So in these images is multi degrees of freedom vibration system, because of here it will be the three masses will be having, and three spring constant having, and damping constant will be in a 3. So it will be the basics of 3 degrees of freedom. And these images will explain about this vibration in harmonic modes and also in rotational modes. So in circular shapes it will be reflected to this vibration in mode of a harmonic motion. So the signal flow will reflecting these round body object vibration. And spiritual vibration. Spiritual vibration it is an our own spot which object which located, and at that time the vibrator will be called it is a spiritual vibration. It having a high level of frequency, and it raising the high level of vibrations also. So in this diagram it is in a degrees of freedom, it having the mass, spring and damping ratios. So mass it is a main object, and how much it will be adapted with respect to the Newton's second law, and a damper coefficient it will be located in a spring mass system with respect to displacement, and these spring mass systems are the degrees of freedom will be located as a single degree or multi degrees of freedom. So these are the assessment questions we have posed in this part. The natural frequency of free longitudinal vibration is equal to which, and the factor which affects the critical speed of the shaft is, and also the equation of motion of a vibrating system with the viscous damping is in this degrees of freedom. So here this equation which indicates the single degree or 2 degree or 3 degrees or multi degrees of freedom. So I will possess the one questions to yours for in degrees of freedom which will be in a 1, it's comparing with the degrees of freedom will be is in a 2, which will be having a higher level of vibration in that object, or how it will be affect the bodies, that bodies means that objects movements, and in the moving parts are mechanical parts, which type of degrees of freedom will be suitable for it will be making a safe level of vibration. Or a music drumstick, you are playing as a music drumstick, the drumstick we were hitting the drum, music drum, at that time the oscillations will be generated. That will be how degrees of freedom, that will be in a single degree or 2 degree or multi degrees of freedom. You just imagined that and possessed your own way thinking. Thank you.